into my stack. What is this? A third of a cup. I've not used this almond milk yet. You probably need to shake it. Right. Okay. My goal is to get this done in probably like 30 minutes or so, and maybe by then my chia pudding will have started to thicken up, and we will see what it looks like. All right. Oh, you know, I'm now remembering I was supposed to do this in a different order, but here we are. We're doing it in this order. All right. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I can do that as well. Here's my handy dandy lid.